welcome to Flip Out Toys TV. So today we are both so excited because we got a package from YULU. We are so excited.
Are you ready to pop? How awesome is this?
We got a pink one and a green box.
Okay.
So this is going to be so exciting.
Okay. So we're so excited. YULU has amazing toys.
They do, and they also have very fun games.
They do. They've sent us a bunch of fun games, and we've loved them all.
So it says pull to pop.
Pull to pop.
I'm gonna pull it.
Okay. Oh, we're gonna do this one first, right? We're gonna do the pink one first.
Okay, so maybe just move.
Okay.
Let's see.
Oh, that's so cool. I love that. Okay, let's give them a sneak peek. I don't know how it's supposed to open. Let me see if it's supposed to open like this. Yes, it's supposed to open like this. Okay. Ready? Wow!
Whoa!
OMG, that looks so much fun.
It does. Okay, let's open it.
Okay, so.
Pop me! Ooh, okay.
Wow. Okay, let's see what it says.
This is a set. So these are called the Pop Me
Pets.
Or there's Pop
Pets.
Pop Pets. Okay, guys, this says Pop Me Pets. I think we need to read this first.
Okay.
Okay, so this says Pop Me Pets. Okay, it's YULU. Just pop, can't stop. 60 pets to collect. As small as a marble, they say. They're cute little creatures with curious features that hide inside bubbles each day.
They are so cute.
Okay, so it says meet the pets. Welcome to the world of Poptropolis. And then it has all kind of different pets. I'm going to put this back up there. It has kittens, seals, sloths,
llamas, penguins, piggies,
and
wiener dogs.
Okay.
So this is let's see.
Okay, everyone, so you can go check out their website, www.poppops.com. So that there are 2 P's in the middle, and then Pop So Official, and that is for Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.
So make sure to go follow them, subscribe, and do all of that.
We are so excited. Okay, so wow,
2 packs. Look at those, like you can see a little surprise, guys.
Oh, and some of them you can see.
Yeah.
Okay,
so these are the Pop Me
Pets.
Just pop, can't stop.
And there's slime in here.
This could be like this could be a prototype since it's not.
Oh, that could be the prototype. And then these are what you buy in the store.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what's on this side.
Okay, let's see.
I think it's the same thing.
Me too. So.
And we love the packaging. Very cute. Oh, it's something else. Okay, so
oh my goodness.
More. Yay.
Yes.
Fun. And guys, there's slime in here. These are so awesome.
We should mix the slime together. Cool. So is this like a poster?
Let's see. Oh, I think this is our mat to work on. Our workspace.
Oh, cute. Okay, so we got this. This is our little scenes, like our scenes for the little
okay, guys, and then they obviously have smaller packs as well.
This is a 6-pack. And they sent us 3 6-packs.
And then we can put all the little critters
in our box.
Back in the box. Yay, thank you, YULU.
Thank you so much, YULU. We are so excited to open these.
Okay, let's see what this is.
Little critters.
Oh, cute. I'm not sure exactly
what
this is.
So let's go ahead and show them. This is a birthday party.
So these are the scenes. So you can put the scene somewhere. We're going to figure out exactly how to do this. And then on the back, it has all of your collectibles. So you can see their names. So cute.
I know, I'm so excited.
Okay, it has common if it has the paw print.
Baby
Super rare, it has the star. Do you see that?
Oh, cool.
Rare.
Okay. So it has the paw print if it's common, the star if it's
cute.
super rare, the flower if it's rare, and the little spiky ball if it's super special edition. So I wonder if we're gonna get a special edition.
Oh, I hope so.
Me too.
Okay, so I'm just trying to figure out where the scenes actually go.
That one's so cute. Show them.
You're so cute.
This is just adorable.
It is
Thank
adorable.
you, YULU.
So much fun.
I'm so excited to pop
Okay, I
them.
think we should get started. Okay, so on the back, there are question marks.
Ooh.
And let's see. So
you peel the
there's
back.
a little tab. I'm going to peel the back.
Don't ruin the others.
No, they're all, it's one big tab.
Oh,
Cool.
I didn't know.
It's just one big tab.
I see that
I
now.
think these are
Those are
all
individual.
individual. So that was smart. I think that's really cool. Okay,
So-
let's see. Oh, fun.
Okay, so, oh my goodness.
Oh, look at it. It
wait.
feels like a bubble.
So you pop it. Oh my goodness. Look at that, you guys. So you're gonna do.
Okay, I'm just going to put,
This will be satisfying.
I think I should just let all of these come
So
out.
you got pink slimes and
Look at
purple
this.
slimes for
Okay.
the girls.
So this is all slime, and then you get a prize, and it feels like a bubble popper. It's so
I
awesome.
love these. It's so cool. Okay, I just need to pop it.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Okay, let's.
Okay, so
open
how
it.
do you think you pop it? You just squeeze it?
Yeah. No, not like that. It's jiggly slime.
Oh, cool. I'm going to do one. Oh, this is fun.
I didn't get
this
a friend.
is awesome.
I didn't get a friend.
Okay, so you don't get a friend in each one, I guess.
Oh, so it's just a mystery.
Oh,
Oh, that was
fun.
confusing for a second.
Oh, I love
I love the
this.
slime. So you didn't
Okay,
get
so-
a friend either.
No.
Wait, can the slime stick? Okay. Let's mix it.
Okay.
So we got a big slime here. I'm gonna open
Okay.
a pink one. I don't know.
This one has a prize in it. I
I
can
know.
feel it.
I can't tell.
Okay.
Ready, set, go. I got a friend! Oh my goodness, I think it's a sloth. Oh, no way.
Oh, cool. Look.
Let's get the slime. Oh, yeah.
So cute.
This is clear pink. Okay, let's mix the pinks and the purple.
Okay. Okay, this is,
I think this may be
what
a
is
sloth.
this? This is a seal.
Let's see.
Okay, this is the leopard seal. Look.
Oh my gosh, I think I got the ultra rare, the special edition.
Which one?
Oh my gosh, this is Little Red Riding Sloth, and it's a special edition.
Wow.
That is so
Okay, I'm gonna try to get
awesome. It's so rare.
it. Where would you see this?
Here's mine, you guys. That is so awesome. I got a rare.
That is awesome. Here, hold it up so they can see it.
These are the funnest things ever.
Oh, this
And
is
the slime is
so
actually
cute.
really nice.
Okay, so we're gonna pretend like they're having a little picnic. Okay, and we're gonna put them up on our picnic box. So where's the?
What is yours? Oh my goodness, yours is so cute.
It's a
leopard.
leopard seal.
Wait, what is yours? Is it a rare? Because mine's
Let's
a
see,
special edition.
that is mine.
You got
It
a
is a
rare,
rare.
but I got a special edition. I think that's the
Oh,
most rare you can get.
cool.
But I'm not sure.
These are so much fun, and then you
Yeah.
also have slime to play with, and it's the kind of slime that does not stick to your hands.
It's
I
like
like
so
that.
nice, and like the pink is so clear. Okay, let's open another one.
Okay,
Ready? Oh,
Yep.
mine has a surprise.
okay, then I'll get one that has a surprise.
Ready, set, go. Oh! Oh my goodness!
One more pink.
Oh my goodness! That is so adorable. Okay, so yes, mine is pink slime.
Oh, mine's cuter. Look, mine's with a slime.
Oh my gosh, I think that one's so rare. Oh my goodness,
Look,
that is
it's
so
on a
cute. Okay, mix this slime. I'm so excited. Yours is that one. I think yours is a rare one, or maybe it's a common, but it's
Let's
so
see
cute.
which one.
Mine is so cute right
It's a
there.
piggy. Oh no, it's a
Yep,
penguin.
it's a pink one.
It's just a common.
Wow, that's actually pretty surprising. Let's see, mine is a cat. It's a cat bat. Oh, mine's called Baby Cat. And mine is a rare.
I'm just pulling this in so they can see them.
So mine's called Baby Cat, and it's a rare one. Okay.
Oh, it's a bat.
It's a baby cat. That's what it's
Oh,
called.
it's so cute.
That is the cutest name. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
let's both pick randomly. So
Okay.
this one. Mine, I don't think I have a
I don't even know what
surprise.
color. I got a surprise. Let's see.
Oh my god, mine made a bubble. I did not have a surprise.
So far, only the pinks of ours have had surprises. I was just trying to let them see the critters.
It's blocking me.
Well, I'll put it over here. There's more space on my side. Look, it's a kitty playing tennis.
Oh, that's so cute. And I
See what it says.
Yours is tennis kitten, and it's a common. Go ahead and show them.
And look, they can play in the slime.
Slime, and it's jiggly. It's like a jiggly and thick kind of feel.
But not sticky.
No,
which
not
I like.
sticky. That's why it's thick. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one because I think it has a surprise in it. Actually, I don't know. I can't even tell.
There, that's better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's pop it. Let's do a little ASMR. Oh, I got a friend.
So far the purples have not had. Have you noticed?
Oh my goodness, yes I have. Oh my goodness, that is so cute.
Oh, I love it.
It's like a little guy playing the DJ. Oh, it's DJ Sloth.
Oh, I love it.
I think it is at least. Let's see. It's DJ Sloth, and DJ Sloth is a rare, you guys.
Pops Pets. Pops Pets.
Put them in the picnic. Oh my goodness, I love this.
Okay.
I wonder if only the pinks have.
Okay, so it says find 2 surprises inside on here.
Oh.
So each one has just 2 surprises, and then the rest of it you get slime. So.
Okay, so let's. Oh my goodness gracious! Oh my goodness! I wonder if only the pinks have surprises.
In ours it did, but I see surprises in different color ones.
Me too. Okay.
Okay, so
let's move this so they can see.
Okay, this one has a surprise in it. You can see.
Mm-hmm.
But some of these that don't have surprises would just be fun to give to your friends. Yeah. So why don't we save these 2? Because it's just slime, but it's cool.
Yeah, it is. Okay,
it's fun to pop.
I'll just pop this one.
Okay.
Oh, I cannot tell what it is, but I think it's gonna be cute. No way, it's a bunny. Okay, it's a bunny, I think, or maybe it's a pig. Actually, are there bunnies? Oh, it's a wiener dog, I think. Bunny wiener.
Oh, cute.
And it's a rare. I have only gotten rare ones. And a bunny.
Wow, look at all this slime.
Look at it, guys.
And then you get a bunch of slime.
Bunny wiener. Cute. And it has little wiener doggies. You can mix it all. Oh.
Awesome. Okay, so let's decide which pack we want to open up next. So, do you want to open up this other pack that's like this?
How about I open my own pack? So I'm gonna open like a. Actually, we'll just open this. Let's see.
Just dump them out, and then we'll just open up. Because we don't know how many. Let's see, we got
a lot.
7. That is a bunch.
Ow. You can stop popping. Start popping. Start popping.
We'll open the ones that we think have prizes in them first.
This one has a prize in it, I can tell. Oh, it's cute.
Oh, this is so much fun. I think this is going to be so popular.
It is going to be. Okay, that one has a prize.
Because who doesn't like to pop things?
This one has one. Let's see. I wonder if we get 7. So that would mean 3 more, I think.
The slime is great. It's amazing. Pops Pets. Okay, we got 5 here.
Oh.
Okay, so we got 6 in this one.
Unless we're missing.
Unless we're missing.
I bet we're missing out.
This one has 1.
Okay.
Okay, so we did get 7.
So in the bigger packs, you get 7.
Yeah. And then
Are
we'll
they 20
share.
packs or what are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 packs?
15 packs.
Did I count wrong? Oh,
Just
yeah.
15.
Oh.
Okay. And we will be sharing some of the slime. because who wouldn't want to pop it?
I know, it's so exciting.
Okay, you ready?
All of them are purple.
I know. I'm going to grab this one.
I'm going to grab this one.
Okay, ready?
Mine made a loud sound. Yours did too.
Woo!
Ooh, I think I got a seal. Let's go to the seals. Oh, I don't think I did actually.
Oh, cute. Mine has a camera.
Oh, I see.
Oh, mine's a piggy.
I got cool penguin, and guess what? It's a special edition.
Cute.
Mom, I think special edition's like the limited edition.
I got the piggy holding the camera.
Oh, no
Okay,
way.
make sure you hold it up to the camera.
Oh my gosh, you got a limited edition too, and a special edition.
Awesome. Make sure I get all my slime out.
Yep, make sure.
Because you can customize your slime, right? And these can be little slime charms. Because that's really what they
Oh,
are.
cute. Okay. Oh my goodness, I got a piggy holding a camera.
Oh, you got the same one?
Yeah.
Is it a different color or same color?
I'm not sure. Nope. But I got the same piggy holding the camera, but that is 2 special editions.
Cute.
So pretty lucky.
Okay, let's see what I got.
You got a looking cool. A cool looking one.
What is this? Oh, it's a doggy.
It's a wiener.
It's a monkey riding a doggy. I swear it's what it looks like.
Racing wiener. And it is a common. So amazing.
More slime.
Oh, when it touches the table, it gets juicy because it's like a wooden table.
Okay.
Okay. I'll just pick this one. It's interesting. I got a duplicate baby cat.
Oh, I love that one.
Me too. Baby cat. They can be twins.
Let's see what I got. Doesn't look like a duplicate. It's got hair.
I think that's a cat, maybe. Oh, I think I see it.
Is it a pig?
That's Cycle Sloth. He's going on a cycle.
Oh,
like a little
cute.
motorcycle.
Here, hold it up there.
This is Cycle Sloth. So adorable.
Here's one. Open it.
I think I got a dupe.
Oh, I love that one.
It's-
You did.
Toboggan penguin. And it's a common.
All right.
Okay.
We'll be right back and we're going to decide what else we're going to open.
Okay, guys. So, let's open.
Okay, so we picked a
Oh,
big
I
pack
forgot.
and a small pack.
I'm just going to
Let's
open
see.
like this so it's faster, but you can peel them.
Yes, I'm just reading the back.
Oh, look it. So when you open it, look it. It has like little... I'm not sure what that means, but...
Okay.
Okay, I want these two.
So how many are there?
4.
Okay.
We also got a checklist.
Oh, cool. Let's open that. But this one's hard. That's like, is that a surprise
Oh,
one?
really?
There's,
Oh, look.
oh, okay.
It's a surprise one. Oh, it must have showed too much. So they put this on top of it so it wouldn't see. Oh, that's funny. Okay.
Okay.
So I want these two.
Okay.
Let's see. What is on the checklist? So we got our checklist and we got the picnic background.
Cute.
And then we got our checklist. Okay, let's open.
So it's really, I guess that's a place to play with your slime
Yeah.
when you get, okay, the smaller packs. Okay, ready? Oh, cute. Oh, this is
that is
so,
so
cute.
cute.
Is it a chef
It's
dog?
a wiener sloth. I mean, wiener sloth.
A wiener chef?
Yes, a wiener sloth. Chef, I think. Wait, let me see. I don't see it. Oh, yeah. Master Chef Wiener. It's a common, though.
Oh, it's so cute. He's going to the picnic too.
Oh my gosh! It is a llama! It's a banana llama!
Oh, that's our first llama.
Wait. It's a banana llama. Look,
Oh, that's
it's
so cute. That's our first llama.
I know.
I love it.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's... Ooh, yours is a little booty.
Okay, ready?
Ooh. Mine's glittery. It's a cat cupcake!
Oh, I love that.
This is cupcake cat and it's super rare because it's a glittery one.
Look at this one.
Oh,
What's
cute!
this?
It's cowgirl wiener and it's a rare. Oh my goodness, I love these.
Cute. Okay, so you want to open up this pack now?
Sure.
Okay.
We have a lot of purple and not a lot of pink. Okay. Let me get it. So there's only 2.
Okay, let's see if we get a different scene or if it's the same scene.
In the ones that is really obvious, I think they put a thing over.
Oh, an extra. Okay.
So this one has something.
Great.
Yes, it is a different scene. It is a curtain.
Okay, I don't see the ones that...
Look in the back. Okay, this one definitely has something in it. So if we have to pop all of them, we will.
Let's see what you
We
got.
got another cat. Oh, no way. Okay, let me look what it's called. Cosmic Cat, and it's a rare.
Cute.
Let's see here.
Wait, did you pick up the one on the ground that we dropped?
Yep, that one.
Then where's the 5th one? 1, 2, 3.
I think this one has something in it. It does. I can feel it. Here, you can pop it.
Oh.
I think it's a llama. I think it is.
Oh, it's so
It's not a
adorable.
llama, but it's so cute. Oh, it's a pig. It's our first pig.
Oh, that's so cute. No, I thought we got another pig.
No, oh, our second pig.
Okay.
Strawberry pig, and it's a common.
Show 'em. I love it.
I love
Definitely
it too.
one of my favorites.
Me too.
Okay, guys, so these are so much fun. Pop Pop Pets. I highly recommend going and trying to find some. We just think they're so much fun.
Me too. I just love them so much. Make sure you guys go check these out and buy them.
And we're going to be doing a second video on that second YULU box. So check back.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.